I like to take things apart. So I wanted to get to the bottom of everybody saying that these are just water vapor. Here's what's actually in here. So when the coil system heats up, a vape cloud is made that may contain up to 31 chemicals, like nickel, lead, and even benzene, the stuff that comes out of your exhaust pipe. And some of those chemicals can damage your lungs. Now, there are all different types of e-cigs and vapes out there, but no matter what type you're using, the aerosol you're breathing isn't harmless.